Okay, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We have reduced our IFC extraction to be in the database, and I'm going to test a mind-boggling 1 million sandbox. And in about 10 seconds, we call up the R3 of bounding boxes, which can manage 1 million. If you were to use a normal IFC, you won't get it. Okay, so we need to set the view is a 2 or 3 kilometers wide city. Okay, so as you can see, this is about 1 million elements, and there is more. You cannot select here. You have you're able to do things like maybe you just want to remove the architecture. You can see that you can really do so. Now we can full load. It will take you 3 hours. Now we have a better way, which is through a search function, which is more powerful because, for example, let's say I want to find a chair. Okay, you want to find a chair. You see that it gives many buildings for you. Right, this is a hospital. And it gives you the analysis what it is. But let me look for a simple house sitting somewhere in the suburb, and let me get this architecture. Here you are. Yeah, you got this architecture, and you can finish the architecture. It is loading incrementally, and it does not have MEP. So you can see it here with the furniture. I'll do something about these boxes that is in search. Maybe if you were to send something else, but if I have to go somewhere else, it will end up somewhere. So let me do a search for a sprinkler and see the building. Okay, you can see there are many buildings. I'm looking for the terminal. The terminal is my favorite project because okay, there's a 5-second lag. So because it's from Malaysia, of a jetty project, you can like I said, you can do it with that, or you'll look for a suppressant. I mean, there's individually here, and you can press any button. It's an FP anyway, so you render. It takes about 5 seconds. So it's here. And it's selected, you can remove it, but let us do it at the building level. Let me go to the hospital. Okay, that's about a 5 second. Let us get the architecture out. So this is progressive, and it has MEP. Let's get on this MEP, and we can remove. We can get in, and you see that it's taking shape, but we can remove this. You can see it's taking shape, and I do not know why the color don't come up for the rest, but let me push in more architecture. Okay, it's there. There's a lot of structure, right? There's electricity. Okay, we get electricity. Is that FP? Yes, we have fire stuff and things like that. So basically, I'm not sure if it's fully loaded, and then you could select something and you can just unshred it. Okay, so I like you all to try it for yourself and see how powerful this is, because achieving 1 million. Okay, there are more things there that I need to. So let me get in more architecture. I think it is more on. Is it structure? Okay, structure, MFP. So it progressive load from a library blended. So this kind of speed is done with a lot of research. I was trying in geometry nodes, but no, it is not good. So this is the fastest way. That means, to recap, you can have what you call let me get back the R3. It comes in about 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, you can load any amount up to 1 million. I've tested in this threshold, I'll call it the benchmarking stress test. So let me put this off. That means, and then this is the R3 concept basically, and of course we are compiler with the database. A lot of things comes into play here, but I like the community to test it out and tell me which direction, because I'm not a BIM person, I'm not an architect or engineer. I just got the kick out of this, and I like to contribute to the community. Okay, so if any questions, do ask me, do knock me on the head. I love this. I want to share it with the community. That's it. Bye bye.